We all hopefully use some form of techniques when it comes to testing and designing tests, but have you ever thought of using techniques as a review technique? Let me give you for instance. Here's an example requirement. A thermostat displays the temperature of a greenhouse from 15 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius. If the temperature falls below 20, then too cold appears and a display and a blue light flashes. If the temperature exceeds 30 degrees, then the too hot appears and the red light flashes. You see, we read that and we think, yeah, that's okay. We might have a few questions, but we think it's okay. If we apply techniques to it, we can find some interesting things that is wrong. This sharpens our understanding. It sharpens our knowledge about what is required. And we can find more defects at the time of requirements. You see, by applying very basic techniques of boundary value and equivalence partitioning, we've got too cold, blue light flashes, no display, between that. Is that right? Nothing said in between that? Question mark. And what about if we put 10 degrees and 40 degrees outside those bounds? What then happens? Is there one light or is there two lights? And is it up to and including those values? And when's the temperature taken? And you see, as a tester, getting involved early and applying these techniques, we can actually challenge the spec. We can actually clarify the spec, because I know what will happen if we don't do that early. The developer will come along and say, I know exactly what they want. It's this. So use reviews as a design technique.